Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly access your wiper arms in the newly refreshed 2024 Kia Sorento. I have in front of me here an X-Line 2.5 turbo all-wheel drive in ebony black. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, I just wanted to show you guys, in the front here, the wiper arms are tucked underneath the hood a little bit, so you can't pull them too far without actually making contact with the hood, and we don't want you to chip your paint. And the rear wiper isn't at the bottom of the window, it's tucked up underneath the spoiler, and it's really hard to get to. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a process that's gonna get the front wipers to go up and stay so you can properly access them. And at the same time, this rear one's gonna come down and stay so you can get to it as well. So let's head inside and go through our sequence. Okay, so now that we're in the car, we're gonna go ahead and press our start button without having our foot on the brake pedal. So I'm gonna press it once, twice, thrice, and a fourth time, and then I'm going to push down on the wiper arm, give it a second, and your wipers are going to go up and stay, and at the same time, your rear one comes down to stay, and now they're in a position where you can pull the wiper arm back so you can access your blade, so you can clean it, so you can clean underneath the bottom of the windshield here, whatever you need to do. Please just make sure that when you're done, you're going to put this back on the windshield so that this is flat and so that the rear is flat. And then you can either start the car or you can just push the start button once more without your foot on the brake pedal, hit the wiper arm in any direction, and everything will go back into place. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.